Something big is happening in the compact camera world. The DJI Pocket 4 leaks are now almost confirmed, a Pro version with a dual camera system is coming, and at the same time, the Insta360 Luna has officially entered the competition. This is no longer just rumors. This is shaping up to be a major camera battle in 2026. So here's everything you need to know in a simple and quick way. Let's start with the DJI Pocket 4. It's expected to launch very soon, around March or April 2026, and the biggest upgrade here is a larger 1-inch sensor. That means better low-light performance and overall improved image quality. It will likely support high frame rate 4K video along with a brighter rotating screen and better battery life. There's also a small but useful addition, a built-in LED light, which makes it more practical for vlogging. Overall, the Pocket 4 feels like a refined and more powerful version of the previous model. Now the Pocket 4 Pro is where things get interesting. Leaks clearly show a dual camera system, which is a big upgrade. This means you could get multiple focal lengths in one device, like a standard view and a wider or zoomed option. This adds much more flexibility when shooting and removes the need to rely on digital zoom. It's clearly designed for creators who want more control in a compact camera. Now let's talk about the Insta360 Luna. This camera is expected to launch in the first half of 2026, and it's taking a completely different approach. Instead of focusing only on hardware, it brings a modular design, meaning parts of the camera could be detachable or upgradable. On top of that, it's expected to focus heavily on AI features like smart tracking, auto framing, and advanced stabilization, something Insta360 is already very strong at. Final thoughts. So what's the difference? The Pocket 4 is about refinement and reliability. The Pocket 4 Pro is about flexibility and better shooting options. And the Insta360 Luna is about innovation and smart features. For more quick tech updates and reviews, subscribe to Smart Tech Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.